floats in the night, bright and bold, igniting the sky. A love that blazed, fierce and wild. But we knew our time was finite, our fate beguiled. Love like a firework, a dazzling affair, burning bright, casting shadows in the air. We soared together, hearts ablaze. But our love, like fireworks, had its own timeline to trace. We painted constellations with our touch, each kiss a spark, each whisper a rush. Loud laughter echoed through the dark. Our love a meteor shower left its mark. Love like a firework, a dazzling affair, burning bright, casting shadows in the air. We soared together, hearts ablaze. But our love, like fireworks, had its own timeline to trace. In the explosion of passion we danced, colors colliding, hearts entranced. But as the embers faded, we knew our firework love had its final adieu. Love like a firework, a dazzling affair, burning bright, casting shadows in the air. We soared together, hearts ablaze. But our love, like fireworks, had its own timeline to trace. So let's cherish the sparks, the fleeting delight. For in the brief brilliance, we found our light. Our love, like fireworks, may fade from view, but its memory will linger forever true. Forever true. So let's cherish the sparks, the fleeting delight. For in the brief brilliance, we found our light. Our love, like fireworks, may fade from view, but its memory will linger forever true.